Building and launching a rocket is a complex process that involves many different engineering disciplines. Here's a simplified overview. Building a rocket design. Engineers design the rocket based on its intended mission, payload, and budget. They consider factors like aerodynamics, structural integrity, propulsion systems, and guidance systems. Manufacturing. Rocket components are manufactured using various materials like aluminum, titanium, composites, and specialized alloys. These components include the rocket's body, fuel tanks, engines, and payload fairing. Assembly. The different components are assembled in specialized facilities. This involves integrating the engines with the fuel tanks, attaching the payload fairing, and ensuring all systems are properly connected. Testing. Before launch, the rocket undergoes rigorous testing to ensure all systems function correctly. This includes static fire tests of the engines, simulations, and checks of the guidance and control systems. Launching and controlling a rocket launch site preparation. The launch site is prepared by setting up launch pads, fueling systems, and control centers. Weather conditions are carefully monitored. Countdown. The launch team follows a detailed countdown checklist, verifying all systems are ready. Ignition. The rocket engines are ignited, producing thrust that overcomes the Earth's gravity. Ascent. The rocket ascends vertically, gradually tilting as it gains speed and altitude. Staging. For multi-stage rockets, stages are separated once their fuel is depleted, reducing the rocket's weight and improving efficiency. Guidance and control. The rocket's trajectory is controlled by its guidance system, which uses sensors and computers to adjust the rocket's attitude and direction. Payload deployment. Once the rocket reaches its intended orbit, the payload fairing is jettisoned, and the payload is deployed. Additional considerations. Types of rockets. There are different types of rockets, including solid propellant rockets, liquid propellant rockets, and hybrid rockets. Regulations. Rocket launches are subject to strict regulations and safety protocols. Environmental impact. Rocket launches can have environmental impacts, such as noise pollution and the release of greenhouse gases. Note: this is a simplified overview, and the actual process of building, launching, and controlling a rocket is much more complex and involves many specialized engineering disciplines.